Yay! Push it back more.
Go for the beer, Jack. Get the beer.
Here we go.
Yay! Winner!
I'll put it back over there.
Here we go. Here you go, Jack. You should see his face. He's so excited. Good boy.
Put it back a little bit more.
Good boy. It's Triple House Brewed.
Riley, move.
Sit. Sit.
Go on, Jack. Go get it.
Stop. Sit.
Whee!
That's it. Good boy.